Hello, good morning, my dear boys of class 6. This is Traboni Mujumdar, your English second paper instructor on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. Boys, I hope all of you are fit and fine, and I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. So, boys, today I am back to you with the same topic, articles, and today we are going to do some exercises for your exam. Okay, so after that, I think you will be able to know how to answer the articles in your exam. Okay, so boys, take out your copy. I know some of you may not have the copy right now. You have submitted your copy in the school, so you can use another copy for writing today's task. Okay, so boys, no more talk about it. Let's go for our today's class and take out your necessary accessories. And if you face any difficulties in understanding any topic, you can ask me in the comment section or you can knock me on Messenger. Okay, so boys, let's go. So boys, here are some exercises. Here I have written, complete the following sentences using appropriate articles. So in your exam, there can be question like this or there can be some difference, but it doesn't matter, but the question pattern will be same. Okay, so in number 1 is I have written, India is dash large country. There are two gaps. At first I have put a gap before India, then before large. Okay, so you know that before a name of a country we don't use article, that's why you have to put a cross here. Then India is a large country, so I am talking about a country in general, that's why here will be a, and there is also a consonant sound that is large, that's why there is a. Okay, so India is a large country. Then number 2, she is an hour late. So I talked about the mute h. Okay, so when there is mute h, that means you are not going to pronunciate the h, there will be an n. Okay, then number 3, I have a 1 rupee note. So one is pronunciated like one. I told you that when the pronunciation is like one, that will be a. Okay, before that word, that means before that sound we have to use the article a. Okay, then number 4, he is a European. I told you when the pronunciation is like you have to put a before that. Okay, then another one, the number 5, there is a gap. Then Bangladesh is an agricultural country. So we know that before the name of a country we don't use any article, that's why there will be a cross. Then number 6, once there was a king. So I am talking about a king in general, that's why there will be a, and you can also see that there is a consonant sound that is k, that's why that will be a. Okay, then number 7, we arrived on the 4th of July. So 4th of July is a particular date of July, that's why there will be the. Okay, then number 8, I go to Jaipur once in a year. So here before Jaipur, we know that before the name of a place we don't put any article, that's why there will be a cross. Okay, so I go to Jaipur once in a year. So I am talking about a year in general, and year is also started with a consonant sound, that's why there is a. Okay, now number 9, Sri Lanka is an island. Okay, so here island started with the consonant vowel sound I, that's why here is an n. Okay, then number 10, I am the tallest boy. So boy, we know that with the superlative degree we use the, so tallest is the superlative degree, that's why you have to use the here. Okay, then number 11, I met a girl in the store, the girl was beautiful. So you can see that at first I have used here a. Okay, I am talking about a girl in general, but in the second sentence I am talking about that particular girl, that's why there I have used the. So when we are talking about someone or something for the second time, you have to use the. Then number 12, our school is closed on Friday. So before Friday I have put a cross. We know that before the name of a day you have to you don't have to use article. That means there will be a cross. Okay, then number 13, this book has won the Booker Prize. So Booker Prize is a particular prize, that's why there will be the. Okay, number 14, there is an institution for the blind in the city. So institution started with a vowel sound I, that's why there is an, and the blind in the city is a particular people in the city, that's why there will be the. Then number 15, I think the woman over there is a famous actress. So I am talking about that particular woman, that's why there will be the. Okay, then number 16, we have dash breakfast at 7 a.m. So we know that before breakfast, lunch or dinner we can't use any article, that's why there will be a cross mark. Okay, then number 17, I was in a Japanese restaurant, the restaurant served good food. So I am talking about a Japanese restaurant for the first time, that's why I have used here a, and I am talking about it for the second time, that's why I have used here the. Okay, then number 18, they usually spend their holidays in the mountains. So their mountains are plural form, so we know that with some plural nouns we use the. Okay, then number 19, I would like a piece of cake. So piece of cake is a general name of a cake. Actually I am talking about in general a piece of cake. Okay, so and another thing, piece of cake started with a consonant sound, that is P, that's why I have used here a. Okay, number 20, he went to the USA last year. We know that before USA or UK you have to use the. Okay, so that's why here I have used the. Then number 21, are you attending the reception today? So this reception is a particular reception. Okay, that's why you have to use here the. So I am talking about a reception that is particular. Then number 22, Nabil goes to school at 8 a.m. We know that before the name of an institution like school, college or university we can't use any article, that's why there will be a cross. Then number 23, she wants to become an engineer. So engineer started with a vowel sound E, that's why there will be N. Then number 24, it is an absurd story. So absurd started with a vowel sound A, that's why there will be N. Then number 25, I want to eat the red apple. So I am talking about this particular apple, that is red apple, that's why there is the. So boys, I think these are the necessary exercises for you. So I have written all the answers. Now it's time to write the answers by yourself. Okay, if you don't practice writing by yourself, I think that will be difficult for you during the exam. That's why you should try to write the answers by yourself also. Okay, so there is HW number 2. Actually I wanted to give you 2 HWs, but as you have exam right now, that's why there is only 1 HW for you. You have to fill up the gaps with articles. Okay, so I'm going to read out for you and you have to do it by yourself without any help. And if you face any problem in doing this HW, you can knock me. Okay, so here I have written, put the articles a, an or the, or put a cross mark to fill up the blanks. Okay, so number 1, there is a gap, then man is mortal. Number 2, I am dash university student. Number 3, she goes to the temple in dash mornings. Number 4, Kiran is dash the best student in the class. Number 5, dash camel is the sheep of the desert. Number 6, I am fond of dash classical music. Number 7, gold is dash precious metal. Number 8, I was born in dash January. Number 9, dash Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Number 10, there will be number 10, Muslim celebrates dash Eid after Ramadan. So boys, this is all about your HW. I hope you can do it, and if you face any problem in doing that, you can go for the rules again. Okay, so for this you can watch my class again and you can have some ideas about articles if you follow my class again and again. Okay, so I think that you don't have enough time right now, but in future. For your future use, you can watch my class again so that you may not forget any rule. Okay, so boys, thank you very much for today. This is all about our article exercises. I gave you some exercises in my previous classes also, as you have quiz exam. That's why my class is short today. I think that is going to be useful for you. You have to write it down in your copy. I know that you don't have the CW copy, so you can write it in another copy, and please do this HW and submit it in the comment section. Okay, and those who have not subscribed my channel, try to subscribe it. Okay, thank you very much boys. Best of luck for your exam.